If you are a content creator, make videos for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or want to start content creation, but you find it difficult to work on a daily basis, or there is an issue of time management. In today's video, I am going to solve this problem. In today's video, I am going to tell you how to generate 100 videos in just 2 minutes. You can use videos for YouTube Shorts or for Facebook, Instagram, Reels. You will not find any problem anywhere. The tools I am going to use for this purpose are ChatGPT and Canva. Let's start this tutorial. Before that, if you have not liked this video, then like this video, subscribe to this channel, and press the bell icon, because I don't want you to miss any video notification coming up. First of all, you have to open the ChatGPT. You have to write in this. Now I have written write 100 motivational quotes. Now you can replace it. You can write 100 question answers, you can write jokes, you can write riddles, you can write synonyms, word meanings. You can take a lot of such things from here. It's up to you guys. I have completed these quotes in about 3 portions. First, I have written 30. Then, I have written up to 63. Then, I have written up to 96. First, you have to write more. You have to drop a message. Then you have to write more. I am going to pick one out of all. To Google Sheets. This is the website of Google Sheets. You have to open it. Then you have to click on the blank. You just have to paste whatever you have copied from here. Then we will paste the next one. Now as soon as you complete these quotes, then you have to come to the file option. Then you have to click on download. You have to click on the option of CSV file. They have to come to downloaded form. After coming here, you can write reel, short. I have already written reel. You will have a lot of templates here. You have to come to a lot of 3 dots here. After that, select one. You have to click on connect. I will click on the format. Then you will come to this option, and then I will customize it. In fact, I will click on this CSV file. Then I will reduce the size of the phones. That means because the quotes are a little long. Then it will be adjusted. Then you have to come to the option of apps. When I click on, if you scroll down here, then you will see the option of bulk creation. With these same you have to click 100 reels to the same option. Enter data manual or upload a CSV. Then about after that, quits have been I already have a CSV. Now the option is that I gave it 95. Now we have to download this. Now it is telling me how to do it. You have to come to the option of share. After coming, you have to click on download. Now you can download every reel from here separately. Uncheck, click on it, and done. After that, MP4 format is selected here. After that, you can download it. After that, you can upload it wherever you want. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Shorts. You can upload anywhere. You can generate wrong videos. You can use different things like this. It was just an example. What can you do? I have given you the idea. You have to face a problem here. The option of bulk creation only comes in Canva Pro, but yet you have to subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram.